Hello everybody and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 22. Today we go into a relatively unknown feature of Google Forms, file attachments. Okay, so you're fairly familiar with Google Forms, but did you know that you can do file attachments in Google Forms? Yes, you can receive files from other people in the middle of a form. So to do this, you simply go into your form and you go and add another question to your already existing form, and you give it a name such as TPS report. You want to keep this name as short as possible. You can go in here and give it a description if you'd like, such as, please attach your TPS report. Remember to use the new cover sheet, right? Change the question type to a file upload type. You will only see this option if you're using a Google Apps for Education or Google Apps for Business account. This does not work with your Gmail account. So when you do this, it's going to ask you the first time or notify you the first time saying that any file submitted will go into your drive. What they don't tell you is that they actually become owned by you as well. You meaning not the person submitting the form, but the person who set up the form, the person who's created the form. So you can choose specific file types to restrict them, let's say like a PDF or something like that, or a document. You can also come in here and set the number of files that you allow up to 10. And so we may just set for 1 here, and then the maximum file size that you want to accept, up to 10 gigabytes per file. It's pretty huge. Right after that, you can decide to do another file if you'd like. Notice that this one I can allow up to 5 files or whatever, or just 1, but I can create another question that also asks for files. So why would you do this? Well, one, you may only want to accept 1 TPS report, but you may want to accept 5 student work samples or something like that, right? I'll just put additional files here for some other thing and choose file upload. And in this case, I'm going to allow for multiple files, up to 5 of them to be submitted with a maximum size of 100 megabytes. Okay, so now let's fill out this form. Notice I'm logged in with my other account here, and I just go in here and put in stuff, and you'll be able to see who owns this file. I'm the one uploading it, but we'll see. Did I put a cover sheet? Yes, I did. There's no other option. Click on add file. Gotta remember to put those cover sheets on TPS reports. All right, then hit upload. Let's add additional files, and let's do all of them except for that one, of course. All right, and once all those are there, I hit submit, and it submitted 4 files in total now with 2 different questions. Great, looks like it's done. Let's take a look at what it looks like on my end, that is the IRC's end, the people who created the form. So when I go to the location where the folder is, you'll notice that there's a folder here that matches the form title. If I open it up, I see 2 additional folders, one for each question that asks for files. So I go into TPS report, there it is, and it even has my name on it. Double click it, looks good. I come in here to the other one, and you'll see that there's my name on each one of these as well, but it is owned by the person who created the form, which is the IRC account. Pretty good, everything looked good, and so on. Okay, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was useful for you. If you like this, then please hit that like button. Please hit that share button and share this with your colleagues and friends. And if you want to support us, follow us on Twitter or hit that wonderful subscribe button. We'll catch you guys next week.